if you don't show up to a family gathering, and I know I was that person. There was a lot of things I didn't show up to, and I was like, no, not doing that. Maybe that's why I lived abroad a lot, because it was easier. I didn't have to deal with all the dynamics, so that was my avoidance. So if you don't show up, what happens? Lulade kenemish how it, I'm mimicking Amti. Terrible. That's why this platform was started, Ashemha, right? Shu when lulade. And so you have your parents listening, and then the community instilling this shame to your parents, which then now gets transferred to you. So self-care is not just personal, but it's visible and constantly being judged. Oh, Ibnik, huwa mish mahami. Oh, huwa he's my music hick. They will say these things. And then what happens? You may be in the fullness of your musicianship, in the fullness of your artistry, and yet your parents will be shamed for what you're doing. So then you may feel guilty for that, somehow failing them, that you weren't what they wanted you to be. And so it's again, some of you, and I want you guys to really hear this, so many of you may stay small to stay accepted. So you may keep yourself small. Keep it safe. Keep it with the belonging, not creating waves, not making conflict. And at some point, you may know you're bigger and you can do more for what your interests are and your joy, yet you may feel suffocated. And then you wonder why you're depressed. And you wonder why you're anxious. And you wonder why there's not a fullness of joy in your life, because you're doing everything for everyone. You don't allow yourself permission to give to yourself or to do the things that you want to do. And maybe you see the vision of your life and you see it in its fullness, yet you keep yourself small to be accepted. I don't pathologize. I get it. I understand that. All I'm encouraging you to do is to say, where are some areas where I don't have to be small? Can I create a more authentic life for myself? And in what ways can you do that?